Get it, boy. Get it. Get the lawnmower. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get the lawnmower. Shorty, get the lawnmower. Kill it. Kill it. Get it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Get it. Get it, boy. Oh. You getting it? You killing it, Shorty? You don't like that lawnmower, huh? You don't like the lawnmower at all. Why don't you like the lawnmower, huh? What did the lawnmower ever do to you? I never saw the lawnmower do anything to you. But you don't like it. Why don't you like it, huh? You don't like it at all. Okay, that's almost enough. Oh, don't hurt it. Don't hurt it. Oh, don't hurt it, boy. Don't hurt it. Don't hurt it. It's nice. It's a nice lawnmower. It's not a mean lawnmower. It helps Daddy out. It helps me out a lot. Oh well. You tired now?